give you my heart. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the 5-minute makeup challenge, but with a twist. I'm going to be doing it with my left hand. It will say in the title somewhere, but I have cerebral palsy. Specifically, I've got left side hemiplegia. That's the type of cerebral palsy I have. So I've done this before, but I haven't set a timer on it. And I think last time it took me about half an hour to do my full face. I don't really put foundation on, but I put concealer and everything else on pretty much. But my type of full face of makeup, it took me 30 minutes. So this should be good. The main products I am using is this. This is a primer, eye primer, eyebrow thing, a lipstick. This is the palette I'm using. I don't know what colours I'm using yet. Obviously, because I'm on a timer, I won't be showing you guys. But these are the colours in it. This blusher. And then I've got the new Revolution Sophie X highlighter. And then I've got my brushes. Also, I've got my Too Faced mascara. I always use this. I've got my iPad here, just to show you guys. That is 5 minutes. We are starting now. What do I need? I just panicked. Oh my god. Restart that again. Oh, I panicked and forgot I was doing it with my left hand. I only put a tiny bit on. Get that. How do I do this? Sorry if the lighting goes off. I'm near my window. Oh, I've got it in my eyebrow. Oh my god. This is failing because I'm rushing. I'm forgetting I'm doing it with my left hand. And the lighting keeps on going out. Okay, that's fine. I've got my concealer. I feel like I'm not even going to get to the... Oh, this is failing. Why? Do it in this. It looks way better in here than it does in real life. Okay, I think that's it. So we've only got 3 minutes left. I haven't even... Ow, that hurts. That hurts very badly. Okay, that should be fine for now. I'm going to start on my eyeshadow. I actually haven't done my blusher. I don't think I'm going to time. Let's just do this one. I think I've kind of failed this challenge. Because I'm rushing so badly, it actually hurts applying this. Oh, is that is camo? Purple then. I thought this would be easy. Well, not easy, but easier. Oh my god, I've only got 20 seconds. Okay, dab, dab, dab. Oh. Glitter, glitter. Dab, dab, dab. Okay, there. Okay. Put the mascara on. Oh my god, guys, that was way harder than I thought. I know I kept doing like swapping to each side, like on my right, but because I was in that much of a rush, I just did not plan. I had everything sorted out. It doesn't even look like that isn't blended properly. My eyeshadow, the glitter is nice, but like that was a complete and utter fail. Thought it would go to plan more than this, but I guess that's the video. Next time I might try and do a 10-minute challenge with my left hand. Let me know in the comments if you want me to do less or more. I thought 5 minutes wasn't that long, but the blending took me forever. I should have started off with my eyeshadow, but I haven't got no lipstick on, no blusher, no highlight, just concealer and eyeshadow and a bit of eyebrow gel. But I don't know if this is going to be entertaining, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments any other types of challenges you want me to do with my left hand. But I'll see you next time. Bye!